Hi guys, and welcome back to the Bright Tech Vision channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a YouTube thumbnail that you can add onto your YouTube channel on Canva today. So I'll be showing you how you can create your own YouTube thumbnail on Canva. So here we are, we're on Canva site, and in regards to this one, there's a lot of different templates that you can do or use in Canva. So you can search for specific Canva templates, or you can create a completely blank one. But for this tutorial, we'll be making a YouTube thumbnail. So if you go through the search content here on Canva, you can search in YouTube. So when you search in YouTube, there's a bunch of different things that comes up. You can see YouTube banner, YouTube intro, outro, banner, channel logo, and you type in thumbnail, you can see YouTube thumbnail here. So it has a default size for YouTube thumbnail. So when you click that one, if you use YouTube thumbnail, you get a bunch of different templates that you can use for creating your YouTube thumbnail. There's a bunch of different options that you can pick here. Some of them are for paid version. I'm on the free version of Canva, but you can use the paid version and you pay around $10 a month for it, and you can use some of the premium features. But with Canva, you don't even need to have the paid option. You can just use the free option with Canva, and you can have a bunch of different templates here. So let's see and find which one will work for us and what template we can use here that is free. So let's say I want to use this template here. Okay, so now we have our template for our YouTube thumbnail. So we got this whole thumbnail here. So this is a template. Obviously we're not going to use it. So what we want to do is we just want to remove some of the things here that we're not going to be using. So all this text stuff, just want to remove all of this one and just delete that one. Alright, so now we're left with some of these stuff here. I'm also going to remove some of these shapes because I think I just get in the way. So I'll remove all of these ones. So I'll leave this one here because this is where you can place the image. So now you have a sort of blank canvas, but I'm going to show you how you can create your YouTube thumbnail and just give you an example of what you can do. So here we are, we have our sort of layout for our YouTube thumbnail, and what we want to do is in this section here I want to add an image. We want to show what our thumbnail is going to be about. So for example, we're doing tutorials, we're doing something along the line. We want to show what will be in the thumbnail to give them some sort of preview. So what you want to do is you want to go to uploads and you want to upload some files. I want to add in some images here. So I got an image, demo image that I'm going to use. So you wait for that one to upload. So that image is here that you can use, and what you want to do is you just want to drag that along, and you fill up this whole area here when you drag it along, and you have the section here. And what you can do is if you want to show specific sections, so if I undo that one, you can actually just drag that along there and move this one across so that shows part of it. You can see that the whole desktop page there. So that there you have that image there filled up in that section. So you want to put your content here on this side, or you can switch it on the other side, whichever you prefer. Now we have this plain section here where we can put the text and our logo. So what you want to do is you want to add in a text. You go to text section and you can add in a heading, or you can add in a design here. If you want to make it look nicer, you can add in design. For this purpose, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using this design, this one. So I just click this one here, and I'm not interested in these texts, so we get rid of these. And let's say that the purpose of the thumbnail, the YouTube video, is how to edit desktop, something like that. And what we want to do is just you want to size it. You want to make sure it fits the page. You put it here, something like that, just so that it stands out. So you have how to edit desktop there. You can change the color of this. So before I change the color, I'm going to change the color of my background here in purple. I think I'll change it to like bluish. There we go. And I'll change this one to a light color white text, so that it just looks nice, so it just stands out. And you can actually, if you want to highlight the keyword like desktop, you can highlight this one, make it like pink or whatever color you want it to be. So yeah, you got some section there highlighted, or what you can do is you can change all the colors there, so make it, you know, stand out somehow. Give it let's see, another lighter pink color, and you got now you have a more sort of colorful title for your YouTube thumbnail. Now you can add in your logo here. If you've already uploaded an image, you can just drag it along, so you can put it here somewhere, and you just want to resize that one so that it fits the page. So put that there, put it here. So that's pretty much your YouTube thumbnail. That's one of the easiest way you can create YouTube thumbnail. You can obviously make it look nicer. There's a bunch of elements here that you can use. You can add in, like if you want to put like a subscribe button here, you can add that in. If you want to move this one, and you can add the subscribe section there. If you really wanted to, just to make it look nicer, you could even, if you really want to situate it here, you could we'll get in the way in the image. So you can't drag it here because it will replace the image you have. So ideally you want to put it in a blank page there, just an overlay. So there you go. That's the easiest way you can create YouTube thumbnail on Canva. So there's a bunch of different things you can add in, but this is just the simplest way, quick, easy way that you can create a thumbnail, a YouTube thumbnail on Canva. So hopefully this tutorial has helped you guys, and if you have any more video suggestions, just leave them down in the comments below, and please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye all.